The other time I've seen power, like that. And I'm not comparing you to Mike Tyson. I'm just saying it's the only two times I've seen it.
Yeah.
And I watch it all the time. I watch boxing, right? I watch fights. But something about it when you're, in your demonstration and just the natural abilities of Tyson, that it was just interesting to see. I knew immediately when I saw it. I bring it into my personal life, and people have noticed it. My family's noticed it. Co-workers have noticed it. I feel more, you can go back, I'm in my, 16-year-old wrestling fighting weight, and I'm more powerful now than I was then. It's just, it's amazing. I wish I started earlier, for sure. Just the simple, elbow strike and having that in its right form, in its right place, and feeling it, knowing that it's in its right place. It's just, and whatever it is, it's just like, yeah, all right, that's great. You learn that there's a minor tweak, and it's even more powerful. So, yeah, I love it. It's a lot of fun. It's been fantastic. Oh, man, I'm just so happy. It puts me in such a great place. My headspace is, great. My attitude's great. People have noticed it, and said things about it, like I mentioned earlier, and they couldn't be happier. And the journey is just so rewarding. I look forward to it. More importantly, though, I think that the internal form, I just can't say enough good things about it. There's only one route, really, and that's internal martial arts. This is the space for reversing what might feel like a downward slide. I'm just much happier in that regard, Wayne, because of the elevation of the program. I wish I had this, not just 10, it could be 20, it could be 30, it could be 40 years ago, right? 50 years ago. But I wish I had a long time ago, for sure. I'm grateful for you and for being here and for your teachers and your journey and where you've taken it.